In this video, we will see how to move the robot relatively to the object location detected by the camera while keeping a fixed orientation. This may be especially useful if you are working on a gluing dispensing application where you may have a lot of cable and pipes that travel along the robot arm to the tool that you have at the flange of the robot. First of all, let's have a look on how we usually move the robot relatively to the object location detected by the Robotiq wirst camera. In such a basic relative move, the robot adjusts its XYZ position and its XYZ orientation according to the object location detected by the camera. Therefore, the robot will rotate to reach the relative orientation. This rotation of the robot may eventually twist the pipes and cable that you have along the robot, so you may want to avoid this. Here is the program to make a relative move while keeping a fixed orientation of the tool. At the beginning of the program, there is the definition of a script function called copy orientation. This function returns the copy of a point while applying to this point the orientation of another reference point. This function is used later in the program. At first, the robot moves to the home position. The home position is the reference for the tool orientation. Then we have the camLocate node that is used to detect the objects. Under the camLocate, there is a move G. The move G is relative to the feature point of the camera. And under this move G, you have all the relative points for the motion. This move is placed under a if false, which means that it will be never executed. This move is just here to help us defining the relative waypoints. Under the if false, each waypoints are affected to a variable. By this process, the absolute position of those points is saved in the variable. The copy orientation function is then used to copy the orientation of the home waypoint to each relative waypoint. Then the robot is finally moved to each calculated waypoint. You will see in the execution of the program that the robot makes the XYZ relative positioning but keep the same orientation as the home position. This way you are sure that you won't twist your cable or pipes that you have along the robot.